Hi, this is Alan, and today I'm going to introduce you five practical approaches to install large language model locally in your laptop. The first one, we have desktop GUI app. And for example, we have LM Studio, Gen, GPT for all. I give the difficulty 1 star. This is for beginners. And second one, we have local model runtime. For example, the tool is Ollama. I gave 2 stars in the difficulty. This is for developers. And the third one is Python libraries. We have transformers, llama.cpp as a tools. And the difficulty, I gave it 4 stars. This is for learning purpose, and also we have the flexibility to do the customization. And the fourth one is Direct Interface Engine or CLI. And here we have MLX or llama.cpp. I also gave it 4 stars in the difficulty. And here we can have space to control and also tune the performance. I mean, in this way, we have a better performance. Uh, let's say if you have the same setting in your hardware. And then last one is the local model server. Here we have a vLLM llama.cpp server, and I gave it 5 stars because this is the most difficult one. Why? Because we can use this as a server model. We can have multiple users, and also we can serve lots of different apps. And guess what? If you want to choose which one you will choose to install the large language model locally, maybe you will choose the first one because it's very easy. But I think from learning point of view, we'd better use the llama.cpp because you see, it's in the third method, fourth one, and also the last one because it's also it has multi-purpose and it's good for you to learn lots of fundamentals about a large language model. So today, let me guide you how to use llama.cpp to install a large language model locally. It's hard, right? Because the difficulty is 4 stars, but it's also easy. Why? Because we have the AI to help us. For example, I just opened this codex. I just ask, uh, can you help me to run a big model locally where llama.cpp? Okay, the answer is okay, very straightforward. So basically, it monitor my hardware of my laptop. It tells me the GPU. So this is RTX 3050 6 gigabyte, and also the driver. I have the JIT. This is a tool. WinGet I have installed, and also I have a CUDA. CMake is not detected. So basically, it just tells me if my laptop is easy to go ahead, or I need to do something before I install the local. I install the model locally. Okay, so here's a conclusion. For your laptop, so the AI suggests this part use pre-built llama.cpp rather than compiling first. Start with the GGUF quantized model for your. This is my hardware VRAM. So because I have this hardware uh, of my laptop, so it suggests I better to install this 7 billion or 8 billion model. Uh, the suggestion is okay. Here, I the better to install this Q1 3.5. This is good to run on my laptop because if I install a bigger model, it will be very slowly. So let me see. PowerShell. I have PowerShell in my laptop. So I just go here and open the PowerShell. So next, I just copy this and then paste here and enter. Okay, there's an error. The term llama is not recognized as the name of command let. So basically, the llama CLI is not working. I think maybe either because the path is wrong or something I didn't install before using this llama CLI. So I'm gonna copy this and send to Codex. Let's see what he's gonna answer me. Of course, we can also use ChatGPT. Let's say the error means llama.cpp is not installed, or it is installed but its folder is not in your Windows pod. I'd check whether any llama executable is already present locally before giving you the clean install path. So with Codex, it can monitor your laptop and check into more details. So that's why when I'm working something like this, I'd better use Codex instead of ChatGPT. If I just want to search for something or get some simple answers, I will just use ChatGPT. So here, okay. Okay. So Codex said Llama is not recognized because this llama.cpp is not installed yet, or Windows hasn't added to your path. Run this first in a normal PowerShell window. Okay, let me copy this and sorry, I'll just go to PowerShell and run this. Go. Okay, that means I'm using winget to install llama.cpp. Now, after this command, my computer is installed. Okay, this MS store source requires you view the following agreements before using terms of transaction. Blah blah blah. Do you agree? Yes. So you say command line it's not that hard because before we have Windows GUI, we always use command line. I remember when I was learning how to use a computer many years ago, I only have this screen. That time it's called DOS system. So I got used to this. Of course, if you we have this user interface instead of the command line, it's easy. You can use your mouse to click here and there. But with the command line, sometimes, I mean, not sometimes, lots of times, it's more efficient. Okay, that's good. Now it's still installing. Okay, successfully installed. Now let me try again. So let's say go back here. I copy this again and install the Queen Win large model locally. So go ahead. Oh no. So the term llama is not recognized as the name of CMD LED. It's still not working. So let's check. So I followed this. I installed. Close. Okay. Let me close this and open the PowerShell again. So first I'll check this because if it's installed successfully, I give this command. Now it tells me uh, this is a usage here. Uh, Run this. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, let's try again to run this command. Okay, seems it's working. Let's see. Okay, downloading. Because with this command line, llama CLI is downloading Queen Win directly from Hugging Face. It's gonna take some time. Let's come back and check. Now is 1:47 p.m. So let's say how long it's gonna take to install this model locally. Now the time is 2:05 p.m. So 18 minutes. Now it's 99% ready. Okay, 100% ready. So it took almost 20 minutes. Loading model. So I think it might be ready within 20 minutes. Maybe my internet is not that fast. If you have very fast internet, maybe the downloading will take maybe less than 10 minutes. Let's say, wow, you see, loading model llama.cpp. Now we see this model name, which is QWin 3.5, and also, oh, that's ready. So cool. Now let's say what Codex told us. So I start this and partial. You do not need to manually download. Yeah, of course, it downloaded manually. So what's next? The command we can use uh, stop this exit, right? And clear the chat history, read file. Now I just type like, hi, um, what is um, your name? Let's say. Oh, it's pretty fast, right? I mean, I just ask what's your name and it starts thinking. Maybe it took 2 seconds. Okay, the user asks, hi, what's your name? Let me check my conversation history. Okay, hello, I'm Q1 3.5. How can I assist you today? Awesome, it's ready. So now that's all about today's session. I hope you learned how to install the large language model locally in your own laptop because this gonna save you lots of money because there are lots of tasks you don't need to pay to get the ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Pro or to use Codex. I mean, you have to pay, right? Because there are lots of simple things. You just need a model to help you. You don't need to pay anything about it. So hope you enjoyed this session and see you next time. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.